Hello, I'm Mike, Senior Applications Engineer at Dwyer Instruments, and welcome to this video highlighting the MN-1 mini-node communications signal converter. The MN-1 is a simple half-duplex RS-485 to USB converter to connect Modbus, Lovelinks, or DigiHelix Links device to a PC via USB port. The MN-1 features a two-wire communications cable. One end of the cable plugs into the MN-1's USB dongle via an RJ45 connector, and the other has flying leads to connect to a device or COM network. The MN-1 is compatible with many Dwyer devices with serial communication, such as the 8B process temperature controller that I'm using today. Connecting the MN-1 to any device is simple. Using the two wire leads on the one end of the communications cable, red being positive and green being negative, you need to connect these to the corresponding communication ports on the back of the device you wish to communicate with. Once this is completed, we can now plug the RJ45 connector on the communications cable into the RJ45 receptacle on the MN-1 USB dongle. Once this is completed, we can now connect the USB dongle into the PC. Before communications can begin, you want to verify that the communication protocols on your device match the communication protocols set on your PC software. To learn more or order any Dwyer product, please visit our website. Thanks for watching.